How to turn off or on share SMS via feedback on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. Just open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that, click settings and then click messaging, and now scroll down until you find share SMS by feedback, and that's it. Now you can turn it off or on easy and quick as you see, and that's it. And then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.